We'll move on, shall we? A huge maintenance operation has begun on the weir across the River Trent at Gunthorpe. The inspection is carried out every 15 years to check for cracks.
First, though, there's the small matter of the fast-flowing river, which has to be diverted so divers can get close enough for a proper look. Callum Watkinson reports.
A nice day for a swim. The weir at Gunthorpe near Nottingham is 87 years old, and with thousands of gallons of River Trent pouring across it every second, it needs to be inspected for damage every 15 years.
The weir holds the water level of the river back at a certain point on the river to provide for the navigation through the lock. If it wasn't here, there'd be shallows and boats would not be able to get past. We carry out less detailed inspections on a more regular basis, but this is getting into the real nuts and bolts of the inspection, looking for the smallest defects, so we can plan for future repairs and ensure that the weir is here for many years to come.
The fast-flowing water has to be diverted so divers can get close enough to see any cracks. So how do you stop one of the country's largest rivers in full flow? Well, these guys have found dropping 4 tons of steel on it usually does the trick. Once a crane boat has dropped the girders in place, the divers can go in, and they're quite relieved to come out again.
When you go down, it's hard to describe. Imagine being in a washing machine, head in the washing machine, but it's not too bad today. It's an experience, you'd need to do it. If you've done any sort of scuba diving, then you can relate to it a little bit, but you just never know what you're going to find when you go down there. You've got no idea.
The River Trent, if it's not treated with respect, can be a dangerous environment, but these guys have many years of experience and they know what they're doing. They work to a risk assessment as well. The dangers are managed and they're not in any danger themselves.
It'll take them 3 days to reach the opposite bank. Any repairs needed will be carried out later in the year. Callum Watkinson, ITV News, Gunthorpe.